Welcome to the Leo's Engaged Train, the Leo Limited. Subscribe, like, comment.
Okay, I have an announcement. Actually, Leo and I have an announcement, and he would be here, except he's outside playing in the dark, waiting for his coyote buddies to come so they can make lots and lots of howling noise. Anyway, the announcement is Leo has a new channel, Leo's Limited, about the engaged model train that we have. We are basically starting from scratch. I'm working on a place to put the train, and in the meantime we're going to learn things like how to use the Cato template. I guess it's upside down. No. How to use the Cato template, which if you can find, good luck. And if you do find it, it's expensive. But I just had to have it. I'm not good with the computer CAD programs for model trains. I just can't get them to work. They're smarter than I am. So anyway, Leo and I will be building models, learning about the differences between 3D printed buildings, cardstock buildings, laser cut buildings, and even do-it-yourself buildings. I figure that I can take some of the buildings and trace each part onto a template, and I bought template plastic, and we could cut them out of wood and build more. So that ought to be fairly interesting. We'll learn about different types of paint, airbrushing, using airbrush paints as wash, recycling stuff to use in your train setup. When I first started, I didn't realize how much there is to learn. I mean, you think, yeah, I'm going to buy a train, I'll set it up, throw some fake grass, da-da-da, but it's great hobby for a retired person because it keeps your mind really working. And I have a couple of friends that are in the train world that I've learned a lot from already, and I'm looking forward to learning and teaching you guys. So Leo may or may not appear depending upon his mood. He hasn't tried to eat the train yet, but you never know. Depends upon his mood. So anyway, I'll see you over at Leo's Limited, and remember, I'll post a link below. So, talk to y'all later. Bye!
Just what does she think she is doing without me? So I was outside being a dog, and she thinks she can just do the video without me. Oh, she did do the video without me.